Welcome back, affiliate marketers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook page or a Facebook group and drive traffic to your affiliate links. We want you to start making a passive income, and this is a very, very good way to do it. Here's a great example. I know in the last video we went over some examples, but I want to show you a good example and then jump right into it. So Amy Lynn Andrews has a very good Facebook page. She's kind of in the blogging website tips niche, as you can see by her profile cover photo, which I love. You definitely want something like this driving people to your blog or review site. What I would also do is create a group, maybe blogging and website tips to go along with your page. Amy does a very good job at doing this. I'm just going to kind of walk through this real quick to show you how she's affiliate marketing. So she's driving traffic utilizing her Facebook page as a funnel to her website, right, to her blog site. And you're going to have the same thing, a blog site, a review site where you have your actual products, your affiliate products or services, and that's going to be your landing page. But Facebook is a good way to get that traffic because you're building trust, you're building an audience, and then you're funneling them to your site where your affiliate products are. As you can see, we go down, she has 11,000 people following. Another thing right here, she has her blog site in her Facebook profile cover photo, theuseLetter.com. Okay, and she also has a sign up button right here, which is very important. I'll show you how to do that because she's getting emails. So if you scroll down, she has tons of videos, which is great. We're going to want to put videos on our Facebook page or the group in order to really get that full engagement, that full trust with the consumer. Affiliate marketing has definitely changed throughout the past 10 years. Before, you were able to just kind of send people to a landing page and get them to buy with no trust or authority built. But nowadays, we have to build that trust with the consumer so that they'll buy our product really fast. And a good way to do that is by utilizing video, by utilizing a Facebook page, and just giving that personal touch, right? Maybe you did a review on a product, or you actually leveraged someone else that has done a review on the product, and you're just kind of reviewing their review, which is, you can do that as well if you're not good in front of the camera. There's plenty of ways to get around that, but I'm just going to kind of go down this page and show you what she's doing really well. Okay, so we scroll down and we see this post right here. She says, if you're not subscribed to Useletter or you want to know more about it, you can do so at useletter.com. Okay, so she's trying to get people to her website. That's a great way to post. Give some value first, maybe show some personal stuff, personal pictures, or maybe an article to then drive people to your website. That's what I would do. I would actually post an article or do a video, a live stream, and kind of talk about the article and then give the link in the description. So she's driving people there. You can see also, if we go down, what she does is kind of a good tactic. She does a live stream and then posts her affiliate link in the actual comment. So she pins her own comment with her affiliate link. And that's also a good way to do it too. If you don't want to funnel people to your website, maybe you don't have a blog site or review site, you can always utilize your page as kind of the landing page. You just have to be more you have to build that trust even more. So she goes live and then posts her affiliate link in the comments. That's another way of doing it. But we'll go back to her post right here where she says, subscribe to the Useletter. So we're going to go to her website. And as you can see, she's collecting emails. This is important in affiliate marketing because if you just sell the product or service and you collect your commission, that's fine, but you're not able to upsell that person if you don't have their email. So why not just collect their email as well, sell them on a product or service, and then upsell them in the future on multiple products and services that you use. That's the power of a blog site. So she's collecting emails right here. If you want to, subscribe to the weekly newsletter, let's go on her actual blog. As you can see, how to become a virtual assistant, 10 tax tips for bloggers, right? Let's just click on that one. Okay, and here she has some value, giving away some value, not asking for anything. But then she says, count all your income if you want multiple streams. She says, use Swagbucks, right? And if we click on Swagbucks, because I'm like, wow, I'm reading this article, it's great. I don't know what Swagbucks is. I'm just going to click on it. It's highlighted. Boom. Okay, what is Swagbucks and how does it work? She actually explains it, right? She doesn't just sell you on it. She doesn't just take you to a landing page and says, buy Swagbucks. She actually explains it and gives the audience a full description of what it is, okay? And then if you click on Swagbucks again, and boom, goes straight to a landing page through an affiliate link, okay? Amy does a great job at affiliate marketing because she utilizes Facebook as a tool, as a funnel to her blog site, where she explains exactly what Swagbucks is. She says why you should use it, how it's going to make you an extra income, right? Swagbucks lets you earn free gift cards for taking surveys and watching videos. So she doesn't just try to sell you on Swagbucks. She, builds that trust and authority on Facebook, drives you to her blog site, explains what Swagbucks is in her new post, her new article, and then explains why you should use it, and then brings you to her affiliate link where it comes to a landing page where she gets it a commission per email. This is a great way to affiliate market, and I suggest that you use this strategy. Utilize Facebook as a funnel, bring that traffic to your website, explain to them why they should get this product or service, and then utilize your affiliate link, and boom, you will get the sale. She's probably getting, if she has 10,000 visitors a day, which that's probably an average of what she's getting, not that many people. There's 7.4 billion people in this world, 10,000 visitors. If she gets 100 people to opt into this email right here for Swagbucks, that's anywhere from $100 to $200 a day. That's usually what these types of affiliate programs offer. So she's making an extra $3,000 to $6,000 a month just from Swagbucks. So this is a powerful, powerful affiliate campaign. I suggest you use it. So let's go ahead and jump into, let's build our Facebook page and kind of find out how we can go about this. All right, so let's build our Facebook page. How do we get started with this? Well, we're going to go up here to the top right-hand corner. We're going to click on this drop-down menu, and we're going to create a page. I recommend creating a page and a group just so you get that additional free traffic. Facebook is one of the best places to get free traffic, and we're going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and create a page for now. We're going to go to, you can choose whatever one you want, local business, brand or product, artist, band, or public figure. We're just going to go with public figure, and we can do, let's choose a category. Move this real quick. Category is going to be blogger, okay? This is perfect. Let's do our name. Let's just say we're in the health and fitness niche. We want to promote supplements that reduce aging, build muscle, all types of stuff, because there's plenty of affiliate links for that on the networks that we showed you. So we can do, let's just do fitness and aging tips, right? Let's get started. Okay, it's invalid. Okay. So we have suggested fitness and aging tips. Perfect. Let's get started. Boom, fitness and aging tips, okay? We're gonna add our cover photo, which you could do here, and we can create one in canva.com. We'll show you how to use that, and I'll link that down below. So Canva is like a photo editing tool, kind of like Photoshop. It's very easy to use. We can even grab photos from there, add that to our cover, and just put you know, our blog site name, our review site name, because we want to direct traffic to there. Then we're going to add our picture, and we can add a button right here that sends, right, that gives us emails. So people could send us email. We can add that button, and boom, we've updated our send email button, because what we want to do is get people interacting with us. If they send us an email, we could throw them on our email list and then automate our affiliate sales to those people. So this is how to do it. You set up your site, put your pictures in, not very hard, and then I would go ahead and continue to post, make posts every day. Also create an offer, maybe create an offer to, you know, join our newsletter at, you know, whatever your website is. Go online, put your website right there, and then publish, so that that stays on top. The offer will stay right here. I would add videos. I would do live streams. This is a perfect way to build your affiliate business. Super easy, but Amy Lynn Andrews was a good example of how to affiliate market through Facebook. Remember, Facebook is a funnel. It's your platform to lead people to build that trust, and then lead them to your landing page to further explain why they should buy a product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In this exercise, I want you to create your Facebook page. Go ahead and post it in the Facebook group so that everyone could like your page and get you some engagement for that, for the Facebook algorithm. So take care.